Hey guys, we are at Overland Expo Pacific Northwest 2024. We've got the Cross 1300 here, and I'm going to show you how to set up your ladder and drill it for all your adjustments at camp. So what you want to do is find a nice level spot. I like a parking lot, but here in this grassy area at the expo, it'll work out perfect to give us a good base level starting point to then drill our holes above and below for adjustment. So once you get your vehicle nice and level, you want to move your ladder and get these rungs nice and level. Then you're going to push on these knobs right here and give them a good twist. So what that's going to do is leave an imprint to show you where you want to make your first drill. So what you'll need to do this task is a 1/4 inch drill bit and a nice good drill. All right, now that we have our base level drilled, it is now time to drill your adjustment levels. What I personally like to do is go every inch, a few inches above and below that base level, but there's no specific number, so you choose what you would like and go with that. I hope this video helped you out setting up your ladder on your new Cross 1300. If you don't have one, get one. Visit us at Ironman 4x4America.com.